That's my cutie pie. He is just so sweet, just like the cake.
Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a keto birthday cake with all the decoration and the icing and everything. And here I have with me my cousin Nupur, and she's an expert baker and she was doing this professionally along with an IT job, and she's not able to manage both now, so that's the reason she is not doing that anymore. She's going to help us do the icing, because you know how keto ingredients are, and especially in India it's a challenge to get the icing look good. Although her ingredients are always different from what ours are. She uses corn flour and sugar and all those ingredients. So let's see how it goes. But it did turn out good, and you guys will see, you must have seen in the thumbnail. So let's go ahead and make the cake now.
2/3 cups of erythritol and stevia mixture, 2 cups of almond flour, which I'm straining to make sure there are no lumps, half a cup of desiccated coconut, 1 teaspoon each of baking powder and baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now here I've taken 6 medium eggs, or if you have large eggs then you take 4, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, half a cup of coconut oil, and all of these measurements are going to be in the description section. This is white rose essence that I'm using 1 teaspoon of, but you can use any essence that you like. And this is a white food color. So this is something you can easily skip. I just wanted a white cake, so I added that 5 drops of it. Now this is my baking pan. I always use a springform pan, and I have lined it with a parchment paper. You know the process to do that. I just crinkle it so that it kind of holds better at the bottom, and I'm pouring my batter. So I made this cake twice, and the first time I made it, I forgot to add the sweetener. And so not only was it not sweet, but it also lost the texture that it needed because it was a little more runny than I wanted it to be. And here you can see me adding stevia on top, which made it sweet, but not the way I wanted. So anyway, I also filled some cupcakes with that, and you can see this is the cake. So it kind of puffed up and then fell flat in the middle. The taste was pretty good, but it was a little off. I'm taking the center part of it because I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to use it to kind of decorate now. So I made the whole cake again, and what I have shown you is the measurements that you need to follow. Here I have 2 cups of cream cheese, to which I have added 3 tablespoons of sweetener and mixed it. And then I also have 1 cup of whipping cream, which I whipped up, and I am adding a little at a time and folding both of those things together so that we don't lose the aeration in the whipping cream. So here is my cake. We're going to ice it now. I have put the white icing. Here I have some red gel color, and I was trying to go for the ombre look where it's not plain pink. And I just wanted to show you how that can be done. So we put some of the dabs of the red color, and then we are just icing the cake, and you stop at the point where you like it. But I actually wanted to show you this method where I have made pink icing and I'm icing the cake. So on top of the ombre thing, we have put the pink icing. So we've taken some icing, added the color and mixed it really well, and then you get pink icing. And this is this tiny one that we are icing with the white one. Now this another method of piping that I want to show you. So she is taking the color and she's putting it, dabbing it inside the bag at certain points, so that when we put the icing, the color doesn't come homogeneously, but you get some white and some pink, and it kind of changes gradually. The next time I made the cake, I made only half a batch. So if you're making it with the recipe that I did, you can make 2 cakes, put them one on top of the other and ice the center, or also take a larger baking pan and then you can make a larger cake and cut it in the middle. When the cake is warm, that is when you want to cut it, because this is not a regular cake. It will crumble if you cut it when it's cold. Now we're going to fill the icing bag, twist it till it is tight. You can even try out a few. So I'm going to place this on the cake. I didn't want to put it in the center, so I placed it off center, and a part of the cake broke, and which is fine. You can repair it. In the beginning you are getting only the white, and then slowly the pink will start coming, as you see, and that's why she's like kind of placing the white dots at different places, because she wants some pink coming in. In India it's a challenge to do this because the weather is slightly warmer. Also the whipping cream is slightly different. I think abroad they have stabilizing agents in the whipping cream which helps, and I'm kind of trying to repair the damage. So we've been shuffling between the refrigerator and the counter and working on the cake, topping the white part with the white coconut flakes that I have. This is some of the coconut that I've colored with the color that I had. So we had some white coconut flakes, and on top of that I'm putting this speckled coconut flakes, and it looks beautiful, doesn't it? If you're making this for a boy, you can make a blue cake, you can make a pink and blue cake. Pastel shades always look beautiful. I've also shared some chocolate cakes with you. If you want, you can just try those out. Those are all just as wonderful. If you've not tried my pork cake, you guys should. So look at it. And we have an expert taster with us today. So this is my nephew Nivan, and he's going to cut the cake for us, and I'm hoping that I'm in the frame too along with him. So Nivan, do you want to go ahead and cut the cake?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, put all your pressure. Okay, one more please. Just take a narrow one. Okay. Okay, go. And I'm going to serve it to him, and he is going to tell us how it turned out. And I forgot to get a spoon. So there it is. Do you want to taste it with your hand, or do you want a spoon?
I will taste it by my hand.
Okay, good.
It's lovely.
It's lovely. You like it? Thank you. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
And what else? Click the
like
and subs
and click the subscribe button.
And also the notification bell. And thanks for
watching. Bye.
bye.